What it make you divert enter kids content?
Lagos on a good afternoon.
Better one.
My name na Ajebo. Good to be here
Mm-hmm.
with my guy JC.
Mm-hmm.
Very very good question what you asked. So I've been start out. Of course, I've been stand up comedian,
Mm.
but I can't realize I want to do something. I been want to do something very very unique. I been want stand out. I been want to do different. So I can't decide. It's going to happen here. I will do animation. So now what I decide. So as we started before I know I can't begin a partner with animator in 20. You didn't hear me well.
Yeah, would they hear you?
My mic go down.
Yeah. Wait continue with the hear you.
Okay, so I can't decide say I want to do animation, and the kind of person when I be na person way I love family things. I be family guy, right? So I decide say anything where I go do it will be family content we will remind African homes, remind you of growing up in an African home. Now so we start to do we started out as a full comedy brand, but when we can see plenty Nigerian children, African children, diaspora children, they can begin watch the content even past their parents. Say parents go watch once, come on, but children go watch and. Some of them they tell their parents, say, "Mommy, I'm the champion of Warri." They say some of them they go tell their parents, say, "Mommy, I'm the champion of Lagos." Everybody they claim champion.
No be small.
Yeah, so what I can say, I can say, okay. Since we don't get an army of children fans, maybe we give children something where they go feel use enjoy themselves. Sometimes our problem are you too intelligent. Do you understand? You will want get it right, perfect. You go they get it right 10 years. You never see 1 million views. So when I say cause I may not be like say I'm being saying cause I don't bother myself with those kind of this thing. What do? You're a stand-up comedian. Are you making people laugh? Yes, in your own way. In your own style. Do you understand? In any style where you be, just make sure say the goal. What is the goal? To make people laugh.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
I tell you, say we get another guest today. Na Thursday. Now feel like saying na Friday. We won't give you Friday feel on a good Thursday, and that's now why we bring this Ogbonge guest enter with studio where they talk about Erememeka Nehemiah. At the talk of Ajebo the comedian. Oh yeah, clap now. I greet you specially. What if they talk about our headset?
No, as in a better one now. A better ones. I just wear them like this. I just they feed the music. I do in a bubble. Just dey feel myself. Yeah, I got radio number one.
All right, here I'm not be saying now we talk because he's using ITC because now we sabi normally. And I'm talking of Erememeka Nehemiah, a creative entrepreneur, comedian, animator, and a CEO of House of Ajebo. You go down there. This is House of Ajebo. And if you be parent you never follow him, you dey play because he gets a war event where I be meet you. The introduction where they give you now catch my attention. They just say you be the friend of parents. You understand your page? Yeah, if parents feel leave their children to your page, go house, come back, they know the fear say then go see 18+ content. Yeah. So it just make me ask this first question. Wetin inspire those kind of content aside the fact say you dey do all those funny press am now e don tey when you say I wan buy egg this one that those days where I did that time wey this comedy skit bin you know curtain after they put food say press am the man na call press am say curtain around. So wetin make you divert enter kids content?
Lagos on a good afternoon.
Better one.
My name na Ajebo. Good to be here with my guy JC. Very very good question what you asked. So I've been start out. Of course, I've been stand up comedian, but I can't realize I want to do something. I been want to do something very very unique. I been want to stand out. I been want to do different. So I can't decide. It's going to happen here. I will do animation. So now what I decide. So as we started before I know I can't begin a partner with I can begin partner with animator in 20. You dey hear me well?
Yeah, would they hear you?
My mic go down.
Yeah. So wait. Continue with the hear you.
Okay, so I can't decide say I want to do animation, and the kind person when I be na person way, I love family things. I be family guy, right? So I decide say waiting anything where I go do it go be family content we will remind African homes, will remind you of growing up in an African home. Now so we start to dey do am. We started out as a full comedy brand. But when we come see say plenty Nigerian children, African children, diaspora children, they can begin watch the content even past their parents. Say parents go watch once, come on. But children go watch and watch and watch. And some of them they tell their parents, say, "Mommy, I'm the champion of Warri." They say some of them they go tell their parents, say, "Mommy, I'm the champion of Lagos." Everybody they claim champion.
No be small.
Yeah, so what I can say, I can say, okay, since we don't get an army of children fans, maybe we give children something where they go feel use enjoy themselves as children.
Okay, so before you continue, because it's important, I say make we hear this part where you they talk, make we drop this one and we they come back. All right, it's sweet me say you been they talk on top the matter. In case you just joining Ajebo the comedian day for inside the studio of 89 FM, and it get to why in decide to switch enter. Not be switch in decide to add kids content for waiting they do. Yes, yeah, go ahead. You be they talk something.
Yes. So because you say we get plenty followers, plenty children followers. So now we decide to do something for children. Now we say how we go take because I be storyteller. I like how they try promote Africa through my content. Take all on a pidgin, now they speak, but I be one now do educational. So now we do Jenny and Kenny na learning and entertainment channel for with Afrofusion. And when I say Afrofusion, the songs na Afrobeat. They use Afrobeat music, create learning songs, nursery rhymes, different theme songs which children need to know about. Think of anything which children need to know. We don't do song on them. Happy friendship, caring, say no to bullying, love yourself, confidence, things where children need to know about. We create in Afrobeat, numbers, colors, shapes, everything where kids learn, we involve kids learning. We do them, and then for Jenny and Kenny in a 3D, so and we do on top of YouTube at Jenny and Kenny, JENI and KENI. Lovely music, you need to check them out.
Okay, so talking about your journey, how long you don't do this kid content?
The kids content. So Jenny and Kenny was launched exactly 2 years ago. Yes, and we been first launched them for 2D. So the team don't do for 2D for quite a while, but we relaunched them 2 months ago in full 3D cartoons, So immediately we relaunch and become be like saying that today now we just open shop. The way the team just take everybody come the basketballs, everybody come they join, they tune in, they give. It just be like say just the wait, for the 3D to come. So the views, the people they join now. Before you go closer, I open eye, more people don't join. People are loving the quality of the cartoon and they enjoy. And it also come at a time where the conversation day for media as to screen time, waiting they scare a lot of parents. Me, I be father of 3 toddlers, so I can tell you categorically say one of the problems we will get now the kind of content don't they put out for children.
Even now. Cartoon now don't they get some sexual content inside? You go they shock.
So they go even they teach them say you can if you be man you feel be woman. How can you be teaching children that? They get cartoons where they witches go they sing baby shark do like they go dress like witch. So I want them my pikin just bust out, just tell me say, "Daddy, I'm a zombie." That I say you are not a zombie in the name of Jesus.
No, you're not a zombie, one. You are not a zombie.
You know, they make, say we be Nigerians, you get some things we no be our style. For foreign content make witchcraft look like cool stuff. You know, the red witch and the yellow witch are brothers and sisters.
But we'll not say which year get doings.
So a people gonna say, Daddy, I'm a yellow witch and she's a white witch. So
Oh, yellow witch.
You get some things where no be our African culture and values. Jenny and Kenny, they embody our African culture. They teach children. What children need to learn as children.
Okay, so more talk about you as your name is Ajebo the comedian, and now we don't enter this one. Are we going to still see that comedian kind of content from you? You see, they get events. You see, they get show. You get.
My brother, what I just did do that they create impact. My show was in June. Eco Hotel sold out. Next year June, another one goes. By God's grace, we will still they sold out. Of course,
you open plenty shop.
Not too different. Of course, they still they do my thing, But everybody they choose what they do. Some people see they do their comedy, they do podcast. Some people feel you can't do anything, But for me, I they build a multiverse of African characters. Jenny and Kenny now one, Tegwolo now one, Abuki now one. We create a lot of other stuff. We get waiting we they call we get African folktale channel where we go see put out. We go just be like Tales by Moonlight of those days. Imagine Tales by Moonlight Pro Max. One waiting for 3D. The stories are in 3D form. We they do different things where I don't feel let out now. But just know say waiting we they try create now. We won't give. It's high time. Growing up now, Oyibo content we they watch. We won't be that brand or that channel. We go give the next generation and the next 5-10 generations waiting to watch. We go make them proud to be Nigerians.
Okay, so we'll talk about the crop of comedians who will get this time, because we notice say a lot don't change compared to when Ona been joined comedy. So people don't put my talk say now they don't focus on quality of the content as per the aesthetics. Say some of them not really funny. Do you think so?
Now it not concern me. Not concern me.
So plan to you are not somebody, you're not planning to mentor anybody or tell people this is not the best way to do it.
So
based on say don't do
rephrase that question, not be like say. So when I say no concern me is everybody see how many musicians we get. Any other person can come out and choose the genre where you want to sing. You understand? And nothing will stop. Nothing go. So a lot of the industry is too big to think of who they focus on aesthetic and who they everybody gets what they do. Some people na slapstick that they do. Some people na stand up that they do.
No, as OG where you be now, wait till with those things where if you say this new set they do, where they not really they get right. That's what I'm asking you.
So that part will make me say concern, because when I say concern, like I don't bother myself with that, because the truth be everybody is on a journey. If you everybody not fit get them right once, not getting it right is part of the journey. Do you understand? And no hard and fast rule again, no script or how to get them right. That person where you feel they look say they get them right. If you just post them, 5 million views. You sometimes have a problem that you too intelligent. Do you understand? You will want get them right, perfect. You go they get them right 10 years. You never see 1 million views. So when I say cause I may not be like say I'm being saying cause I don't bother myself with those kind of this thing. What do? You're a stand-up comedian. Are you making people laugh? Yes, in your own way, in your own style. Do you understand? In any style where you be, just make sure say the goal. What is the goal? To make people laugh. Whether you over kaku with aesthetics, so did the people laugh? Yes. Whether over kaku at all, or did they laugh? Yes. As far as you're doing that, and you see it's a beautiful expansion. We get people where they do skits. They do them well. But some of them will tell you straight up, I'm not a stand-up comedian. So it's just about knowing yourself and your brand. And but that space where you there, are you doing it well? Yes. Is it working? Yes. Beautiful. Just own your space and do it well.
All right, own your space and doing well. We know to get time because this Papa Mado. He want to do one or two for on top of him. I tell him, say, mingwangwa. But don't tell you, say, make una rush, go check out the thing we cook give us for inside the matter. Me, my picking one born next week now. It's a page that my child is going to sleep. You get twins and then one more. That's okay.
The Lord will did it for you.
Thank you very much, Ajebo, the comedian. We are looking out for more things we'll do. And I know say you will come again so that we'll get enough time because this time short, they enough to unbundle what you get. Because when I see you for that event, we'll go wait till you talk. Not only that your content I impress me because I love the way you talk with you talk. You understand?
Right.
You talk from the angle of person we know what thing they do. You get. So thank you very much for coming to 89.9 Yanga FM and the fact that you love our aesthetics. And everything.
It's beautiful. I made them know Jenny and Kenny, now Jeni and Keni. Just go on YouTube, subscribe, and enjoy quality content. And this is on our own, so you can it is your own. It is proudly Nigerian. It is proudly African. So you get right to carry your phone, DM or say we want to see this in the content.
Okay, they go add down.
We'll go add down for the next one.
All right, we won't see Yanga for the content. Thank you very much. We play the song Lonely Road, but trust me, no day lonely when we deal with you. It's 9.9 Yanga FM. My name is JC Talk. Thank you very much, Ajebo, the comedian.
You're not going to play one of the songs for
we go run on.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.